Aman to become a brand for the sourcing hub of Bangladesh. Safe working environment, green initiatives, employee welfare, investment in people and technology, right quality, diversified fashion ability on product range have extended its turnover to $110 million with ultimate satisfaction of employees and the customers. That's how Aman has become a game changer in the global market for the last few decades. Aman is a family of 10,000 members who always work together, dream together, and build their future together. Our holistic CSR approach is to ensure gross employee happiness. Healthy employee, healthy Aman. With this concept, we provide complete healthcare services to our employees, which includes medical consultation, diagnosis, medication, medical and life insurance, emergency hospitalization, and death donation program to provide financial support to the victim's family. Apart from these, routine health checkup, eyesight test, tuberculosis screening, female health, hygiene and reproductive awareness training, blood donation program, food and nutrition counseling, free health nutrition booklet and subsidized rice distribution are facilitated to all our employees. Education is light. Educational support to the children of our employees and local schools are the vital activities of Aman, providing school uniforms to the children, supported by TESCO and DFID, scholarships to the potential children of employees, computer donations to the schools, painting school classrooms, contributing to annual sports of different schools, donations to the Freedom Fighters Association's library, and inviting school students in factory premises to create more awareness on energy savings and sustainability. Our doors are always open for physically challenged people and given special priority. We boost up their self-confidence, ensuring job security, medical and financial support, along with customized workstations and other required aids. We have provided a fully equipped training room in Center for Rehabilitation of the Paralyzed. We also celebrate International Disability Day to mobilize their morale. In many cases, they are found more efficient than the regular employees and the mainstream workforce. We celebrate all relevant international events like World Environment Day, Traffic Day, Mother's Day, International Day of People with Disability. Aman has the most prioritized scheme on human skills development, such as Leadership Development Program by Dr. Ranjan De Silva and Mr. Ijaz, Neuro-Linguistic Program by Mr. Ranjan De Silva, Continuous Process Development, Rajesh Veda, RBC, Developing Great Managers by Mr. Jaydev, Stress Management Training by Dr. Mehtab Khanum. We call Aman an opportunity mine. We do not provide a job only. We ensure a career which has now become a culture with us. If we exemplify, Mr. Raihan, Operator to Quality Assurance Manager, 16 years. Mr. Mujibur, Quality Controller to GM, 16 years. Mr. Jishan, Management Trainee to AGM Marketing and Merchandising. Mr. Himel, Management Trainee to GM Marketing and Merchandising. Mr. Rokunuzaman, Assistant Manager to CEO. Kaizen, 5S, Kanban, Sweet Party for the Fresh Recruits literacy program are the keys that drive us towards idea generations, inventory control, efficiency and happiness at optimum level, both mentally, zero landfilling. Thus, we contribute to the reduction of carbon footprint in the environment. As a result of all these initiatives, we have achieved a certificate of Green Factory has achieved worker satisfaction rate of 97%, which was surveyed by a US-based company, Elevate, through Labour Link, and it is the highest score among 180 factories in Bangladesh.